Alright guys, so here we're back, and I found the landing gear, and it's nice that they also provide you with 2 spare props in case you smash your props during a bad landing. Come on, get out there, get out. Okay, we'll keep the spare props in here, and we'll try to mount the props onto the plane. Now let's see what they look like. Alright, I'm going to go with guessing here that this with the round bit here is going to be the front, and these are going to be in the back. So let's see what that looks like real quick. Alright, so I guess you'd stick these in the back here. Just push them in. One in the back there. And I'm not sure if I aimed them correctly, but just for the sake of it, we'll just stick them in and then we'll see. I think that it doesn't really matter, but we'll see. And the front one will matter. I think it has to be like this, otherwise when it takes a bunch of hits, if it's not pointed this way, it will fall apart. So that's pretty good. That's pretty good. Let's see what it's like when it's down there. Yeah, that looks good. This should be a pretty good flyer. Alright, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.